The easiest way to do this is going to be click on the video and then you'll get the share option here in the top right. You're going to copy this link and then you're going to open Mozilla Firefox. Paste your link into the browser bar and it's going to bring up the video. After you've downloaded that plugin from the email, you'll get this option here, download as. You're going to click mp4 720 and then here you would name it. So this is from the ANP 100 course. And then chapter 1 micro lecture. You shouldn't have to adjust the title too much. Just make sure that the class name and the week are in there. So that's actually the ANP week 1 chapter 1 micro lecture. Save it and then you can just save it to your computer in one spot. From there, you're going to upload it to the Google Drive that I will send you a share link to. So once that Google Drive opens, you would add it to the Google Drive by, you can either drag and drop it or upload it. So I'm just going to drag and drop just for this example. Drop it here. It says I have about a minute left here on the download. And then you would see the video appear here. And then you could just copy or you can drag it into the file that it belongs in. So the video that I just downloaded was ANP 100. So you would want to drag that to this folder here and just drop it in there. Let's see, I'm going to pause this to wait for this download to stop. Okay, so now you see the ANP 100 video is here. I'm just going to click on it, carry it over here and drop it in there. You're going to have to hit OK here just because this is a shared folder. It's going to ask you this every single time you move something, but just hit OK and then move on. All right, let me know if you have any questions.